Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Batanga. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the cocktail, the Batanga. Think of this one as a margarita meets a Cuba Libre, kind of on steroids, and I think we're really going to like this one a lot. Actually, never had it before. I've heard great things, did a little research before the video. Turns out it was invented in 1961 by bartender slash owner Don Javier Delgado Corona. He was the owner of La Capilla, which means the chapel, in Tequila, Mexico. This drink is supposed to be refreshing, fantastic, maybe a little more mature version of ordering a rum and coke in bars. Let's go ahead and try it out. First things first, we're going to rim our glass with lime juice and salt. Go ahead and give a healthy coating there. The salt. Salt is very important in this drink. We're going to actually include it in the ingredients as well. We're going to use ice cubes. Go figure, ice cubes in a drink. Making this one for myself. Bartenders out there are probably cringing at my hands going into the glass. It's for myself. You probably do it at home too. It doesn't matter. So for this drink, we're going to use first a healthy pinch of salt in the actual drink itself. And then we're going to use a ½ ounce of lime juice. Fresh lime juice is always the choice, guys. You can buy that sweet stuff in bottles. It doesn't taste anything like fresh lime juice. Always use fresh lime juice whenever you can. There you go. Next, we're going to use 2 ounces of a Blanco tequila. Any tequila will do. Blanco, though, is definitely the recommended way to go. I'm using the Siete Leguas. It's a fantastic 100% blue agave tequila. No additives in this one. And then we're going to top with Mexican Coke. Now, I'm adding the word Mexican Coke here. The big difference, besides the fact that it's in a glass bottle, is 100% cane sugar. Not that fake stuff. It truly makes a difference in your cocktail. You go ahead and top that off. The original recipe, the original way he made it, actually calls for you to stir it with the knife he cut the limes with. So we're going to stay true to the recipe. Go ahead and try that. And let's give it a shot. Cheers. Looking forward to this one. That is a delicious, got a lot of salt there. Delicious drink for sure. One that I'm going to add to my repertoire. Again, if you like a rum and coke, if you enjoy a margarita, this kind of combines the two into something fantastic. Go ahead, guys. Order this one for sure. Give it a shot. I recommend it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Invented in 1961 by bartender and bar owner Don Javier